All right, we're at the Deer Valley Ski Resort. It's beautiful. All you have to do for our hotel at the St. Regis is you go downstairs, grab your skis and boots, stick it on, and ski right out of the hotel to this first lift. A little icy today. Otherwise, it's a beautiful day in Deer Valley. We're expecting some snow tomorrow, so we might get a powder day. We got another 3 more days of skiing. How is it, Chloe? The powder is not too great right now, a little icy, but maybe it's just because it's early in the morning. We are expecting some snow tomorrow, but we're going all the way up to the top, and there's like 3 peaks at the very top. We're gonna ski 2 of them today. If we have time, we'll do a 3rd one. And then hopefully we have a powder day tomorrow. We'll show you that too. All right, we're at the top of Orion Mountain. Who's brave? Who's going first? Joshua, yeah. What'd you think about that double blue coming down from the highest peak?
Challenging for me. It was pretty easy. The snow was nice, I think.
Towards the top is pretty fluffy, pretty fun. The snow got a little bit worse towards the bottom, a little icier. But a good run. We're gonna go back up, do a couple more. What's your first impressions, boys and girls?
Snow is not good.
Snow's not good?
Definitely not as good as Steamboat.
Yeah.
Or Colorado.
Yeah. Colorado snow is better. Even New Mexico right now.
Yeah.
But let's give it some time. And tomorrow's a powder day, so that might improve some things.
From West Virginia.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Okay, we got world famous
Turkey chili.
Deer
Valley.
At Deer Valley. Got a nice crunchy onion.
Fries.
Good for dipping French fries in. We got another $20 burger here at Deer Valley and a like $15 hot dog. Yeah, let's try this chili first.
It's all right. I don't know. I think I like my chili better.
What do you think? Is it worth the hype?
No, but it's good.
Mommy chili is better than the world famous Deer Valley turkey chili. We finished all the food. And Joshua, do you have a debit card on your phone? Joshua's treating. Daddy forgot his wallet. Yay, Joshua! Thanks for the deer chili. $15. You're so generous. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
4.
I'd say the average is about 3 at the most. Typical kind of like resort food. You don't come here for the food. You just get energy so you can go ski again. But make sure you bring a wallet so you can pay for the food. Otherwise, your 16-year-old will be treating. Day 2 of skiing in Deer Valley. It's a little foggy today. There's Autumn. What do you think, babe? Let's do the boob. It's a little foggy. Hopefully you can see where we're going.
No, this is the
This is what you wanted. This is Taos. Yeah, let's get down first. Look how foggy this is. You can barely see yourself coming in to a landing. Good. Good. Don't lean backward, lean forward. You're going up too much. Unless you really want to slow down this much. Okay, you got it. This is the view you get when there's no fog. Frozen lake in the background. All right, we just finished 2 days of skiing at Deer Valley, staying at that awesome place, the St. Regis. All right, so what do you guys think of Deer Valley?
4.
3.75. 4.
3?
3. That's
Ooh, I think I'm gonna give it a 4.
3.75.
Tied with Snowbird. So I guess Utah's like
not coming back.
sub 4 averages.
I don't think Snowbird was that bad.
Well, Mommy sandbagged it on this one and Chloe sandbagged it on this one.
Let's hurry up.
All right, so what do you guys think? Pros and cons about this. Why is it so low? Chloe? Why? Because you fell down? Chloe fell.
It was icy.
It was a little bit icy in the beginning.
The first day was worse
First
than
day
the second
was a
day. The second day was better. The first day was a 2.
Yeah, but the second day was awesome. Second day,
good snow.
was it for the second day? It would be like a 3.
And it's kind of like hard to find your way because you can't really like. There's certain spots where you're like stuck and you have to take a lift.
Too many lifts. But I did like the diversity. There were like 3 different mountains you could ski on. That was pretty great.
Yeah, the diversity was pretty good.
They were really, really good.
Yeah, I think if we didn't have Chloe with the hurt leg and Mommy with getting on the trails, getting stuck and about to die, both of these Utah trails would probably be about a 4 versus 3.75. But anyways, come see for yourself. Let us know what you think. It's stick of time.
Go to Colorado.
All right, smack it down, girlfriend.
How's that hurt, Bean?
Oh, that's a nice one.
A lot of blue. Hey, check out this place in Utah.
No.
Favorite homeboy.
Go to Colorado.
Who wants their own St. Regis?
Now Millsap. Down. Bad pass. No! Oh, wow! Now that was spectacular. Here's Johnny.
That's okay. Nice. Wow! He's at the red dot. Yeah! There's like a couple hot tubs too. How's the temperature, Mama?
It's very hot when you first get in, but you acclimate very quickly. It's
Very
wonderful.
quickly.